and join me in a big Nashville welcome for this traditional, the Grand March. A hand for the Pillsbury Bake-Off. Welcome the finalists for the Pillsbury Bake-Off. Make some noise!
My mother was in the Pillsbury Bake-Off in the early 70s multiple times. And so literally my whole life I grew up as a tiny, tiny kid seeing her, looking at TV, trying to see her in the Bake-Off, trying to, because obviously I didn't travel with her. For the last, decades and decades, I wasn't even able to enter because she had been a finalist several times. So this is the first time that I was able to enter. Lucky enough, I was able to get picked. So
you're number one. You think that's an omen?
I hope so.
Have you entered before?
I have entered before.
And have you made it to the floor before?
I competed in 2008.
And how did that turn out?
Well, I had a wonderful time. My cookie bars didn't turn out too well.